With employers moving away from conventional pension plans and Social Security no longer a reliable safety net, your retirement is in jeopardy. According to the Trans-America Center for Retirement Studies, 61% of workers still have not recovered from the 2008 recession. The study also shows only 16% of workers feel confident they'll have adequate personal savings for retirement. Baby boomers, 45% anticipate drop in standard of living. Generation X, 83% won't match parent standard of living. Millennials, only 18% feel confident about retirement. And according to the same survey, the majority of workers will keep working past the age of 65. Do you still picture your retirement the same way? Call Gold Code today to find out how you can secure your wealth and how physical gold and silver can help protect you from market volatility.